When it comes to home improvement projects, homeowners in Birmingham are always looking for ways to increase property value, improve energy efficiency, and enhance curb appeal. One of the most effective but often overlooked upgrades is proper window installation. Investing in high-quality windows and ensuring they are installed correctly can provide numerous benefits, including increased home value, reduced energy costs, and improved comfort. Here's how proper window installation can make a difference for Birmingham homeowners. Boosting curb appeal and first impressions. One of the first things potential buyers notice when approaching a home is its exterior. Outdated, damaged, or improperly installed windows can make a home look neglected and unattractive. On the other hand, new, well-installed windows give a property a fresh, modern look, which is crucial for making a great first impression. Whether you choose stylish bay windows, sleek picture windows, or energy-efficient double-pane windows, a professional installation ensures that they fit seamlessly into your home's architecture. Additionally, window installation allows homeowners to customize their home's appearance. With a variety of materials, styles, and finishes available, new windows can be tailored to match the aesthetic of the house and the surrounding Birmingham neighborhood, further increasing its market appeal. Enhancing energy efficiency. Birmingham experiences a range of weather conditions, from hot and humid summers to chilly winters. Poorly installed or old windows can cause drafts, allowing heat to escape in the winter and enter in the summer, leading to higher energy bills. Properly installed, energy-efficient windows provide an airtight seal, reducing the need for heating and cooling systems to work overtime. Modern windows come with advanced features such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and argon gas fills, all of which contribute to better insulation and reduced energy consumption. Homebuyers are increasingly prioritizing energy efficiency when searching for properties, making well-installed, high-performance windows a valuable selling point. Increasing home security and safety. Home security is a major concern for homeowners in Birmingham, and windows play a critical role in protecting your property. Older windows with weak locks or loose frames can be easy entry points for burglars. Professionally installed windows with advanced locking mechanisms and reinforced glass provide an added layer of security, making your home less vulnerable to break-ins. In addition to security, proper window installation can improve safety inside the home. For instance, tempered glass reduces the risk of injury by breaking into small, less hazardous pieces, and impact-resistant glass can withstand harsh weather conditions, offering better protection against storms and debris. Reducing maintenance and repair costs. Improperly installed windows can lead to problems such as water leaks, mold growth, and structural damage. Over time, these issues can become costly to repair and significantly reduce the lifespan of the windows themselves. Investing in professional window installation ensures that windows are fitted correctly, with proper sealing and waterproofing to prevent damage from moisture and air infiltration. Newer window materials, such as vinyl and fiberglass, require minimal maintenance compared to traditional wood frames, which can warp and rot over time. Homebuyers appreciate low-maintenance features, making your property more attractive in the competitive Birmingham housing market. Boosting property value and marketability. Homebuyers are willing to pay more for a property that is move-in ready and requires minimal upgrades. Properly installed, high-quality windows are a major selling point, as they provide assurance that the home is well-maintained and energy efficient. Studies show that homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their investment in new windows when selling their property, making it one of the smartest renovations in terms of return on investment. In the Birmingham real estate market, homes with energy-efficient, aesthetically pleasing windows tend to attract more buyers and sell faster than those with outdated or poorly maintained windows. If you're looking to increase your home's resale value and make it stand out among competitors, ensuring proper window installation is a wise choice. Conclusion: proper window installation is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a long-term investment in your home's value, comfort, and efficiency. Whether you're planning to sell your property soon or simply want to enjoy the benefits of a more secure, energy-efficient home, installing high-quality windows with professional craftsmanship is a decision that pays off. Birmingham homeowners who invest in proper window installation can expect a more attractive, functional, and valuable property for years to come.